If you currently attend or want to attend a weekly Smart Recovery face-to-face meeting, but you're not sure if it's being held, just go to smartrecovery.org, click on the Find a Local Meeting link, put in your zip code, and locate a meeting you want to attend or regularly attend. Click on the meeting link info to get the status of the meeting. And you can also get contact information of the meeting facilitator in case you want to reach out to them for the latest updates. Depending on your facilitator, your weekly in-person Smart Recovery meeting may be moving or already moved online via Zoom video conferencing. Like in this case, for instance. If you find that a local meeting has moved online, just click on the Zoom link here to join in at the date and the time listed here. We also welcome you to join any of our other online meetings happening every day through our online SROL community. Just go to smartrecovery.org and click on Online Community, which will take you to the Smart Recovery Online or SROL page. Just click on Register, then go through a simple process where you enter your date of birth, choose a username and password, and don't forget to check this box. Your privacy is important, so read it thoroughly. Fill in your email address, choose your gender, and click or unclick this box if you'd like to join our email list. You don't have to, but we'd be happy to have you. Please read the terms of service and click the box if you agree. And most important, make sure you set your time zone so that our online meeting schedule is synced to your time zone and you never miss a meeting. Lastly, just answer the "I'm not a robot" question and you're good to go. If you have any problems along the way, just go to the top of the page and hit Contact Us. Once you're done with the registration process, we'll send you a confirmation code. All you have to do is verify your email. And once you're logged in, just click on Smart Online Meetings at the top. You'll see all the current online meetings. Choose one that works for your schedule. Under the meeting info, you'll find the Zoom link that will give you access to the meeting. If you haven't used Zoom before, don't worry, it's super easy. There's tons of helpful videos here on YouTube that you can check out. If you have any questions, just email us at importantnews@smartrecovery.org. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, and just know that together we will get through this. But the key is to keep moving forward, not slipping backwards.